Marginal costing problems part 4. ప్రీవియస్ 3 క్లాసెస్లో మనం మార్జినల్ కాస్టింగ్ సంబంధించి 11 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని మనం చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అలాగే అట్ ప్రెజెంట్ 12th ప్రాబ్లమ్ని చెప్తున్నాము. ఓకే, సో ఇయర్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్, సెకండ్ ఇయర్, యూనిట్స్ సోల్డ్. ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో ఇక్కడ సేల్స్ అమౌంట్స్ ఇచ్చారు, ఇక్కడ మనకి యూనిట్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. యూనిట్స్ 7,000 యూనిట్స్, 9,000 యూనిట్స్. ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్, 7,000 యూనిట్స్ని సోల్డ్ చేస్తే లాస్ 10,000 వచ్చింది. 9,000 యూనిట్స్ సోల్డ్ చేస్తే ప్రాఫిట్ 10,000 వచ్చింది. ఇయర్ 2 years యూనిట్స్ సోల్డ్, 2 years ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ ఇస్ గివెన్. ఓకే, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఈస్ assumed 100 rupees per unit, 100 rupees per unit is given. Fixed to find out fixed expenses. Break-in point in units. Break-in point in units మనం కనుక్కోవాలంటే కంపల్సరీగా మనకి కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ పర్ యూనిట్ అనేది చాలా అవసరం. ఓకే, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్స్ టు బి ఎర్న్ ప్రాఫిట్ 40,000 rupees. టు ఎర్న్ 40,000 rupees, హౌ మెనీ యూనిట్స్ టు బి సోల్డ్? 40,000 రూపాయలు లాభం రావాలంటే మనం ఎన్ని యూనిట్లని అమ్మాలి? ఓకే, ఇవి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. మన పీవీ రేషియో ఫార్ములా చేంజెస్ ఇన్ ప్రాఫిట్ బై చేంజెస్ ఇన్ సేల్స్ ఇంటూ 100. ఓకే, సో ఇయర్ వీ షుడ్ కన్వర్ట్ ది ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇంటూ సేల్స్. ఓకే, ఇయర్స్ సొల్యూషన్. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్, సెకండ్ ఇయర్, సేల్స్ 7,000 యూనిట్స్ ఇంటూ 100, 7 lakh rupees. 9,000 units into 100, 9 lakhs rupees. Okay, minus loss 10,000, loss plus profit 10,000. Okay, 10,000 profit. So 2 years sales, 2 years profit or loss is given. So PV ratio, whenever 2 years sales, 2 years profits are given, PV ratio is changes in profit by changes in sales. Changes in profit by changes in sales. Changes in profit by changes in sales into 100. Changes in profit. So second year minus first year. So second year is profit 10,000 minus first year loss 10,000. Okay. Next, sales. Second year sales 9 lakhs. First year sales 7 lakhs. Okay. So minus of minus plus 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. Sales difference is 2 lakhs. So 20,000 by 2 lakhs equal to 20, 10%. PV ratio is 10%. Okay. Next, here we take any one of the year. We should take any one of the year. So first year will be taken. First year sales is 7 lakhs. Sales is 7 lakhs. 7,000 units. Okay, selling price is 100 rupees. Contribution ratio అన్న మనకి PV ratio అన్న ఒకటే. Both are same. So 10%. So 10%. 7 lakhs 10%. We'll calculate 7 lakhs 10%. Okay. 6 lakhs 70,000. Okay. 7 lakhs into 10%, 70,000 is contribution. Same contribution, 100 rupees 10% is 10 rupees. Variable cost is 90 rupees. 7 lakhs minus 70,000, 6 lakhs 30,000 rupees. Okay, variable cost. Okay, next, fixed expense we have to find out. First year loss 10,000, so loss amount minus 10,000. If you want to get fixed cost, the contribution will be less and fixed cost will be more. Then only we get the loss. Okay, so 80,000, 70,000 plus 10,000, we will get 80,000 fixed cost. 70,000 plus 10,000, we will get 80,000. So 70,000 minus 80,000 equal to minus loss 10,000 rupees. Okay, here we have to find out to break a fixed cost. Okay, 80,000 rupees. Break-in point in units. So break-in point, BEP in units. Formula fixed cost by contribution per unit. Fixed cost by contribution per unit. So fixed cost is 80,000 rupees. Okay, contribution per unit. Here we get 10 rupees. Okay, 8,000 units. 8,000 units will be sold to earn a break-even point, no profit or no loss. Okay, next. Number of units to sold to earn profit 40,000. 40,000 rupees మన ప్రాఫిట్ సంపాదించాలంటే ఎంత అమ్మాలి? సో here we find out the estimated sales. Estimated sales equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by contribution per unit in units. Estimated sales in units. If you want to find out in units, we should substitute the contribution per unit in the place of PV ratio. So fixed cost 80,000. Desired profit given in the question 40,000. Okay, 40,000. 40,000. CPU 10. Contribution per unit is 10. So 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 rupees by 10. 12,000 units to be sold to earn profit 40,000. Okay, this is most important problem for degree students. Okay, the problem is completed. We will go for another problem. Okay. Next, marginal costing problems, part 4, 13th sum. Okay, fixed cost 50,000, variable cost 66, 2 by 3, percentage on sales. If 100% sales is 3 lakhs, sales is given 3 lakhs. Find out break-even point. Determine profit at 80% capacity. Okay, so let us prepare statement. So statement of marginal cost. Statement of marginal cost. So particulars rupees. Okay, sales. Here 100% sales is given 3 lakhs. Okay, variable cost. Variable cost is given 66, 2 by 3. 66, 2 by 3 means 66, 2 by 3 means percentage. 3, 66 are 198. 198 plus 2 equal to 200. 200 by 3 percentage means 100. So 300. It means 2 by 3. So 66 2 by 3 written as the 2 by 3. So here variable cost is 2 by 3 on sales. So 3 lakhs into 2 by 3. It means 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is variable cost and 1 lakh is contribution. Okay, contribution is 1 lakh minus fixed cost. Fixed cost is given 50,000. Okay, so profit is 50,000. We have to find out the PV ratio. So PV ratio formula means profit volume ratio. Formula is contribution by sales into 100. Contribution by sales into 100. Contribution is 1 lakh. Sales is 3 lakhs. So 1 lakh by 3 lakhs. 1 lakh by 3 lakhs into 100. It means 1 by 3. 33.33% or 1 by 3% PV ratio. Okay, next we have to find out the break-even point. Break-even point formula fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost is given 50,000. PV ratio is 33.33%. It means we get the break-even point is 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, this break-even point. Next, determine the profit at 80% capacity. 100% capacity sales is 3 lakhs. 100% capacity sales 3 lakhs. 80% is question mark. So 80% sales equal to 3 lakhs into 80%. 2 lakhs 40,000 rupees. Okay, 2 lakh 40,000 rupees. So estimated sales equal to, formula profit equal to estimated sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Estimated sales is 2,40,000. So PV ratio is 1 by 3. or 33.3 minus fixed cost 50,000. So 2,40,000 divided by 3 is 80,000. 80,000 minus fixed cost is 50,000. 80,000 minus 50,000 equal to 30,000 rupees profit. Okay, this is the problem. So here fixed cost is given 50,000 rupees, variable cost 62, 2 by 3 on percentage sales. Sales is 3 lakhs, variable cost 3 lakhs into 2 by 3, 2 lakhs, contribution 1 lakh, fixed cost given in the question problem 50,000, profit 50,000. Okay, this is the solution. Next problem we have to go. Next problem, effects of changes in selling price. Effects changes in the selling price. Okay, 14th problem. సో అమ్మకాల ధరలో మార్పు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? సేల్స్ గివెన్ 60,000. క్వశ్చన్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ 60,000, ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ 15,000. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ 10% increase in sales price. 10% increase in sales price. 60,000 rupees. Add 10%. So add test 60,000 plus 10%, 66,000. B, 10% decrease in sales price. 60,000 minus 10% decrease in sales price. 60,000 minus 6,000. So 54,000. Okay, just only changes in the sales. We should not change the variable cost, fixed cost. Both are remaining constant. Okay, so particular statement of marginal cost. Statement of marginal cost. Particulars, present situation, 10% increase in the selling price, 10% decrease in the selling price. Okay, sales. So present sales will be taken 60,000. Variable cost 30,000. 60,000 minus 30,000 contribution 30,000. Fixed cost is given in the problem 15,000 minus profit is 15,000. PV ratio formula, profit volume ratio formula, contribution by sales into 100. Contribution here 30,000. Sales is 60,000 into 100. So PV ratio is 50%. Okay, BEP, fixed cost by PV ratio. Here fixed cost is 15,000. PV ratio is 50%. So 15,000 divided by 50% equal to 30,000 rupees break even point sales. Okay, margin of safety sales formula, total sales minus BEP sales. Total sales is 60,000 minus BEP sales 30,000. So margin of safety sales is 30,000 rupees. This is the present situation. We have to change 10% increase in only sales. 60,000 plus 10%. So 10% means 6,000. Add to say 66,000. So variable cost same 30,000 minus 36,000. Okay, so fixed cost 15,000 minus 21,000 profit. PV ratio, contribution by sales into 100. 36,000 by 66,000 into 100. So PV ratio is 54.54%. 54%. Okay. Next, break-in point. Fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost is 15,000 by PV ratio 54.54%. Okay, we get answer 27,503. 27,503 we will get answer. Margin of safety sales, total sales 66,000 minus 27,503. We will get 38,497 rupees. Okay, this is second. If selling price increases 10%, 10% selling price will be decreases. So sales is given 60,000. 10%. 60,000 minus 10% means 6,000. Okay, 54,000. Sales will be 54,000. Variable cost 30,000 is same. 54,000 minus 30,000, 24,000. Fixed cost is 15,000. Profit 9,000. PV ratio. So contribution by sales into 100. Contribution 24,000 by 54,000 into 100. So PV ratio we will get 44.44%. 44.44%. Break-even point. Fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost by PV ratio. PV ratio 44.44%. Okay, we will get the sales 33,753 rupees. Okay, next we will get margin of safety sales. Total sales minus BEP sales. Total sales 54,000 minus 33,753 rupees minus say 20,247. 20,247 rupees. Okay, so problem ni columns ఈ విధంగా గీసుకొని చేస్తే we should, it is also most important problem. Okay, affects in the changes in the selling price. Okay, next problem you have to go. Next problem, there are two companies are given in the question. Okay, company X, company Y, both are selling same type of products. Okay, which company will get more profit we should decide. Okay, here sales is given 3 lakhs, variable cost 2,40,000, fixed cost 30,000, profit 30,000. Okay, company Y sales 3 lakhs, variable cost 2 lakhs, fixed cost 70,000, profit 30,000. Both companies profits are given 30,000, but we have to decide which company get heavy product, heavy demanded product, which company has low demanded product. Okay, so let us solve the problem. Particulars, statement of margin cost. Particulars, company X, company X, company Y, company X and company Y. Sales, company X is 3 lakhs, company X is 3 lakhs, company Y is 3 lakhs. Okay, variable cost 2,40,000, variable cost Y company 2 lakhs. Okay, less 3 lakhs minus 2 lakhs 40, 60,000. 3 lakhs minus 2 lakhs 1 lakh. Okay, next fixed cost 30,000. Fixed cost company Y is 70,000. We get profit 30,000. 30,000. Okay, both are the same profits. PV ratio, contribution by sales into 100. So here contribution is 60,000. Company X is 60,000. Sales 3 lakhs. 100%. So 20% we get PV ratio. Company X. Next, contribution 1 lakh. Company Y. Sales 3 lakhs into 100. 33.33% or 1/3%. So which company gets more profit? Which company get more profit? Because which company's PV ratio is high, the company yields the heavy demand the product. The company which PV ratio is less is a low demanded product, because here company Y profit is, contribution is 1 lakh and your contribution is 60,000. Okay, let us break even point, fixed cost by PV ratio. So fixed cost company X company Y. Fixed cost is 30,000. PV ratio 20%. Okay, 1,50,000. Breaking point is 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, next company Y. Company Y contribute fixed cost is 70,000. 70,000 by 33, 1 by 3 means 2,10,000. 2,10,000 will be get or 1 by 3. Reverse will be 3 by 1. 70,000 into 3, 2,10,000 rupees is break-even point. Okay. Next, we have to find out sales required to earn profit 10,000. So estimated sales formula equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. So company X fixed cost is 30,000. Desired profit is 10,000. 30,000 plus 10,000, 40,000 by 20%. 70,000 fixed cost. Company Y. Desired profit is 10,000 by 33.33% or 1 by 3. 40,000 by 20%. So the 2 lakh rupees estimated sales. Here 80,000 into 3, 2,40,000. 1 by 3 will be reverse 3 by 1. Okay, or 2,40,000. Here another question is heavy demanded product and low demanded product is given. So it means given reason. We have to give a reason. So heavy demanded product is which PV ratio is high. The PV ratio will be high. It is a demand product, low demanded product. So heavy demanded product is company Y. Company Y is heavy demanded and low demanded product is company X. Okay, this is the problem. Simple problems. We have to just practice and get good marks. Okay, another problem we have to take.